All right, apologize for the lighting. I do not yet have any good stand-up lights, but we'll see what we can see. It looks like it's about to rain. It's kind of thundering out. We're going to go ahead and pull this pan off here and drop the valve body. I already broke these things loose. Have the transmission standing up on end. This one here, I'm going to take this one back to the salvage yard that I got it from for the $50 core that I get back. But first, we're going to take this thing apart. Really, the only thing that they should be using out of this transmission is the case anyways. The electronic parts are not good. They are not good at all. So, let's see what we have here. Got this one down here. These, move this out of the way. Using my masonry pan, which works great. Buy these at Lowe's. Pretty cheap. And yeah, the magnet does not have a lot of metal on it. I mean, I did change this filter. I'd be interested in seeing what the filter looks like, but I mean, it really did. It shifted fine. The transmission actually did work fine. It was just the electronic problems that I was having out of the conductor plate. So now we're going to remove these screws here. These bolts here. I think they're the same ones. Same size. Oh, they're one size smaller. So these the pan bolts are a T30. So we step it down to, let's see. Okay. So once you pull the valve body out and flip it upside down, this is what you have. You have these little retainers. They put tension down. It's another T30, and they keep the tension on these valve on these shift solenoids. And you want to mix them up because they do have different numbers. I'll show you which ones they come out of. They can be mixed up. They have different numbers, and these just unplug from. They go right through this conductor plate. See, they're different. So you want to keep them in orientation to where they go. Let's see what numbers these are here. So this is a 260-130, and this one here is a A140-277. So when you're looking at it from the plug-in, in case you get them mixed up, from this plug right here where the wiring harness goes in, this one's going to be the 0260-130. The next one is going to be the A140-277-0898. That's the next one. Then the next set, the first one is going to be A240-277-0000. This next one might be the same, but I don't remember. Let me see. This is a A140-277-0535. Then we go over here to this side. We'll just keep it all in orientation as to how it goes. Scooch it over, unplug these. The first one's going to be, the first one closest to where you could see the shift linkage, where it hooks up. Okay, that's going to be A140-277-0635. And the next one, farthest away from the shift linkage, see if we can pull this out. Is your A140-277-0535. Next is your A240-277-0000. Next will be your A140-277-0398. Last one, closest to the wiring harness connector plug, is your 0260-130. There you go. So now we know Pull these back out real quick.